Hey everyone, Matt from Soundrolling.com. So this is just going to be a test to see and kind of show and demonstrate how fast the 688, which is here, compares to the 664. Okay, so we'll try and switch them on at the same time. New day folder. So there you go. This brightness is turned all the way down. So let's turn them off again and try again. Boom. So I don't quite know what happened with the first one, but I guess then it powers it on after that. So the 2-second kind of boot up definitely does occur. Done. And waiting. So it's probably about 5 seconds late. Okay, so join me in the next video for brightness.